Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to today's video. I am here to teach you how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. First of all, you have to hit on hues and saturation here. After you've opened it, make sure you reduce the saturation to 44, and also brighten it to 44. As you can see, it has affected the whole picture, and that's not how it's supposed to be. So with this, we are to invert the mask, the layer mask here. So to invert, you hit Ctrl plus I on Windows, or on Mac is Command and I. So you hit it to invert. So in the box, make sure the mask is selected and your foreground is white and your background is black. Make sure you select your brush tool and give it some size, and also the hardness. The hardness is supposed to be 0%. The hardness is supposed to be 0%. Make sure the layer mask is selected here, and paint on the teeth gently, like how I am doing it. Gently, do it gently. Make sure you don't paint on the gum, because the gum is not supposed to be white. It's not supposed to be white. It's only the tooth that is supposed to be white. So gently make sure you hold the mouse and paint on the tooth. You can see as I am painting, the tooth is changing to white. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. So gently do it. Make sure you do it gently, as I am doing it. Let me remember you that you have to do what you have to subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel so that anytime I post a video, you can get yours. And subscribe to the channel. Paint it white. You paint it white. Make sure you paint it white. Just paint on the tooth, not the lips, remember. So the tooth is being painted. Well, so you can see now the tooth is white. This was before and this after, but remember, there may be some circumstances, and when you are painting on the tooth, it may affect the lips. Just make sure your foreground is black and your background is white. With that, the layer mask is selected, then you paint on the lips. Paint on the lips for it to see. Paint on the lips like this. So yeah, that is it. So see, before and after, before and after. Thank you for watching this tech time. May remember to hit the subscription button for more videos. Thank you for watching.